Makita, ito Rojas. Rojas. Nakakuha ni Mr. Alvar. Back to number 27, number 27, pass to Sine. Back to number Balita. Balita sa gitna, isa short. Pass back to Mr. Rojas. Basket, sumabay pa. 15-second shot clock. Eight minutes and 15. 15-second shot clock. Talon. Oy, but there's a foul. Kumito Mr. Pantoy. And first team foul in our first quarter. Time remaining 7 minutes and 55. Kala ko'y babak na. Balita, basket. Basket to Mr. Rojas. Mr. Rojas. Mr. Roquin. No basket. Nakuha ni Mr. Alvar. Nice shot.
Kunti na lang, sila na lang.
Nakuha ni Mr. Rojas. 15-second shot clock. Pass to Mr. Pantoy. Looking for three. It's a short. Rebound by Mr. Alpin. Basic. 2 points. 5:47. 8 points by the board. Ayun lang, walang practice. Pinektisan. 6 minutes and 52. 15-second shot clock. 10-second shot clock. Going down. No basket. 14-second shot clock. Rojas. 10-second shot clock. 5-second shot clock. Basket. Pantoy. 12-second shot clock. Going down. 8-second shot clock. Sige.